Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by opening the image in a simple editor and immediately make a backup copy so you never lose the original. Once done, enable layers or duplicate the background. This lets you erase or move text non-destructively. Next, select the text tool and pick a readable font, size, and color that contrast with the background. Make sure to set alignment and line spacing before typing so you avoid repeated tweaks later. This streamlines everything that follows. Now you add and position the new text precisely where it belongs. Click to place a text box, type or paste your replacement, and use guides or rulers to align it to nearby elements. If the surface is angled, use transform or warp to match perspective. This creates a natural look. Once placed, tweak opacity, drop shadow, and blending mode so the text integrates with lighting and texture. Make small adjustments, then zoom out to verify overall balance and legibility. Finish by exporting the image in the correct format while keeping a layered file for future edits. If old text shows through, hide the text layer and use clone or healing tools on the duplicated background to clean artifacts, then reveal the new text. Make sure color profile and resolution match the target use. Mismatches cause color shifts or blurriness. If compression introduces banding, export at a higher quality or use a lossless format, and then compare on the final device.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.